In advertising, the most important metric to track is the conversion rate. And that's why it's essential for you to know how to get that metric when analyzing your Amazon PPC campaign. To do that today, you have two options. Either you download a massive CSV report from Seller Central and it looks like a 90s tax document with many useless metrics to filter from, or you grab a calculator and start manually dividing orders by click for every single campaign. Neither choice is convenient. It's the reason why so many sellers give up and pay third-party services a fortune just to handle their PPC management on their behalf. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy all of your Amazon PPC performance metrics, including the ads conversion rate, in just one click with the free Endgame XP Chrome extension. For those who are new here, I'm Hadrian and I've been a seven-figure Amazon seller since 2021. Once again, I built this extension for one reason: I hate repetitive tasks. So if you're the same and you want to stop being a slave to the slow and heavy Amazon UI, this extension is for you. Let's dive in. The very first step is to get on the Endgame XP website in the Chrome extension section. So I will put the URL of that page in the description below. You enter your email, click on the button, and that will install the extension on your Chrome browser. So on my browser, it's already installed, as you can see, and if you click on the Endgame XP logo, it will open the extension that lists all of the features available. And today we'll cover the ads conversion percentage one. So we'll open Seller Central. I open Seller Central in another tab. You get into the advertising section, so manage and then manage advertising. Once you are in the advertising UI, you can go ahead and open one of your campaign. So let's open one of mine right here. Once you are in your campaign, you go ahead and click on bid adjustment. And once the bid column appears, this is where you can activate the toggle for the ads conversion feature in the extension. And that will make appear a table below the bid adjustment table that will allow you to copy the impression, click-through rate, conversion rate, and ACoS for each of the placement in just one click right here. So once you've copied the performance metrics for this campaign, you can go ahead and paste it, for example, in a Google Sheet where you're tracking the performances of all of your campaign. For example, I have a tracking sheet that looks like this, and every week I'm filling it up with all of the performances, impression, CTR, CVR, and ACoS for each of my campaign on each of my product in each of my marketplaces. Your value is in optimizing your PPC campaign, not in the manual labor of building the performance report. And now that you've pulled the data in seconds, you can actually spend your energy on the only thing that moves the needle, acting on it. I'm actually covering how to use these metrics in my full 1-hour masterclass link below. It's the most operational training I've ever made, in which I'm teaching how to launch and scale a private label business with Amazon FBA from scratch. I now want to thank you for watching this tutorial and remind you that if you're serious about tracking your campaign performances, you should know that beside pulling your PPC data, you always need to gather your keywords volume and organic rank from Helium 10. That's why in the next video, I'm going to show you how to bypass the manual export in Helium 10 and copy all of your keyword data in just one click, still with the Endgame XP Chrome extension.